Single underwater image restoration using variational framework guided by imaging model with noise. Abstract. Abstract includes keywords, existing method drawbacks, proposed method, step-by-step implementation block diagram, advantages and applications, and software and hardware requirements. Document. In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature review, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, block diagram, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements, results, conclusion, references. Additionally, provide detailed information on MATLAB software, covering its history, capabilities in image processing, and specific steps involved in digital image processing relevant to your project. PPT. Single underwater image restoration using variational framework guided by imaging model with noise. Include the following steps: abstract detailing keywords, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, implementation block diagram, advantages, applications, results, conclusion, software and hardware requirements, literature review, existing method, proposed method, block, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements. Outcomes. Open the code files in the file manager and copy the code path. Next, open MATLAB to 0 or software, paste the copied path, click on the main.m file, and run the code. Select an image to process. The first figure shows the original input image, the second figure indicates divided image with best region highlighted, the third figure indicates input image with best region highlighted image, the fourth image is initial transmission map image, red, green and blue. The fifth image is perform combined initial transmission map. The sixth image indicates corrected transmission map, red, green and blue. The seventh image is combined corrected transmission map image. The eighth image is refined transmission map, red, green and blue. The ninth image indicated combined refined transmission map image. The 10th image indicates restored image. In the command window display the metric values, that is PSNR values for measuring image quality. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030 333 433.